So today in the science experiment, you're gonna be making a new slime with different ingredients now. And at your house, you should have this paper that you can write down like what you would like to be different about it and like what things you would want to change about your other slime that you've made. So then you could be like, is it like, do you want it to be like stretchy? Is you want it to smell better, or do you want it to like make a better sound, be soft? So yeah. So the first ingredient we're gonna be using is 1/4 cup of glue, and again try to get all of it in. So then you're gonna use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you want it to be kind of flattened, and then you pour it in, and then you mix it up. So then you're gonna drop 3 to 4 drops of coloring, and then you're gonna mix. So then now you're gonna grab 1 tablespoon of contact solution, and then now you're gonna mix. And if it starts becoming kind of like stringy, then that means it's good. And if it's not stringy, that means you need to add like 1 more teaspoon. Yeah. And then like once it's kind of ready, you can grab it with your hands, and you can like start like mixing it kind of, and like playing around with it. So now that my slime is fully mixed, I want to add my extra ingredient, which mine is lotion. So you would either pump in 1 pump or like 2 pumps. It depends how much you feel is good for your slime. Or if you want to add a different extra ingredient, you can go ahead. It's your slime. You can do it your way. So then you can mix it around and keep mixing it until you think it's good. And if you're doing the lotion like I am, if it's not like how you like it, you can add like another pump of lotion and keep stirring it around, stirring it until it becomes how you like it. And when it's done, it should be looking pretty cool. And yeah, that's how you make slime with the new ingredients. And I want you guys to write down what were like the differences about the slime and the other one. And I hope you enjoyed being a 4-H scientist.